kids, welcome to Kids Hindi Pathshala. Today I am going to explain lesson number 2 of class 2, Bhalu ne kheli football. So before going to start our lesson, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button so that you can get the notification of next uploading videos. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Bhalu ne kheli football. Bhalu mane bear, kheli mane played and football. So bear played the football. Okay. सर्दियों का मौसम था. सर्दियों मने winter. मौसम मने season. So it was a winter season. सुबह का वक्त. सुबह मने morning. So it's a morning time. चारों ओर कोहरा ही कोहरा. कोहरा मने fog. So it was fully covered with fog. एक शेर का बच्चा सिमट कर गोल मटोल बना जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. So एक शेर का बच्चा means it's a lion cub. जामुन मने it's a Java plum tree or you can say Indian blackberry. So one lion's cub was shrinked down. सिमट कर means shrinked. So he was totally shrinked himself like a ball and slept under a Java plum tree. इधर भालू साहब सैर पर निकल तो आए थे. So here bear. So bear sir came for a walk. लेकिन मने but. पछता रहे थे. पछताना means regret. So he was regretting for it because it was too cold. तभी उनकी नजर जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे पड़ी. So just then his eyes grabbed attention under the Java plum tree. So where he saw the lion's cub. So आंखें फैलाई. आंखें फैलाई माने widened. The bear widened his eyes and used his brain. Akal means brain. And used his brain and said, football. सोचा चलो इससे खेलकर कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए. गर्मी माने heat. So the bear thought to play with that ball to get some heat. आव देखा ना ताव. So आव देखा ना ताव means it's a proverb. He didn't think about anything. बालू ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को. So he didn't think about anything. Bear bounced the lion cub with his legs. हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा दहाड़ा. हड़बड़ी means in rush. So in rush the lion's cub roared. दहाड़ा means roar. शेर का बच्चा, that is your lion cub. So in a rush the lion cub roared. और फिर पेड़ के एक डाल पकड़ ली. And then the cub hold the branch of the tree. मगर डाल टूट गई. But the branch has broken. भालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गए. So the भालू sir, that is bear sir, immediately understood the matter. मामला मने matter. पछताए. He was regretted also. But लेकिन अगले ही पल, but next second दौड़कर फुर्ती से and he ran very fast. दोनों हाथ बढ़ाए and stretched his hands और शेर के बच्चे को लपक लिया. And immediately he catch the lion's cub. लपकना means he just catch the lion's cub. अरे यह क्या? अरे what's this? शेर का बच्चा lion's cub फिर से उछालने के लिए कह रहा था. So what's this? The lion cub was asking the bear to bounce him again. उछालना means bounce. So he was just lifting the lion's cub in the air. एक बार फिर भालू दादा ने उछाला. Once again the bear sir bounced the cub. So he was enjoying. दो बार, 2 times. तीन बार, 3 times. फिर again. So again and again the bear was bouncing the cub. And the cub is also enjoying. Same thing the bear is doing for so many times. बार बार यही होने लगा. So many times he did. शेर के बच्चे को उछालने में मजा आ रहा था. मजा means enjoy. So the cub is enjoying when the bear is bouncing him back again and again. So the lion cub was enjoying. परंतु भालू तबकर परेशान हो गया था. But the bear got very tired and was worrying now. परेशान मने worry. ओह, किस आफत में आ फंसा. ओहो, in which disaster I stuck now. आफत माने disaster. फंसा means stuck. So I stuck in some disaster. 12वीं बार उछालते ही. 12वीं means 12th. So 12th time. बार माने time. So 12th time when he bounced the cub. उछालते ही भालू ने घर की ओर दौड़ लगाई. So घर की ओर, towards his house. What happened? When 12th time when the bear bounced the cub, he ran away from there towards his house. और गायब हो गया and disappeared. अब की बार शेर का बच्चा धड़ाम से जमीन पर आ गया. So अब की बार, this time, शेर का बच्चा, the lion's cub, fell down. जमीन पर आ गया. Fell down on the ground. So the lion's cub fell down on the ground with a bang. That's just a voice. Okay. So the dhadam means bang. When it fell down, it will give the bang sound. With the bang, he fell down on the ground. डाल भी टूट गई. Branch also broken. तभी माली वहां आया. So just then the gardener came there. और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा. And the gardener started shouting on lion's cub. बरस पड़ा means he started shouting. डाल तोड़ दी पेड़ की. So he said, what he said? He said, you broke the branch of this tree. Now pay the fine for that. So harzana means fine. You have to pay the fine when you are damaging something, no? So that is harjana. So you have to pay the fine. शेर के बच्चे ने कहा, जरा ठीक तो हो लूं. So the lion's cub said, first let me get stable. माली ने कहा, ठीक है. Gardener said, okay, fine. मैं अभी आता हूँ. I will just come. माली के वहां से जाते ही शेर का बच्चा भी 9-2-11 हो लिया. So as soon as the gardener left that place, जाते ही, he left. So when he left the place, the lion's cub, शेर का बच्चा, ran away from there. 9-2-11 means it's a proverb. Ran away from there. उसने सोचा, जान बची तो लाखों पाए. सोचा means he thought. So the lion's cub thought, जान बची तो लाखों पाए. It's a proverb. It means he thought if life gets saved, millions will be found. So this is the end of the story. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.